Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 stocks that is under $1 to invest into. But before I begin, I just want to do a disclaimer because these stocks are extremely risky and, they could make you lose money. So stocks in general will make you lose money, but penny stocks can really make you lose money. But the payoff can be also very rewarding. So let's begin. So my first one is Australia's Capital. Why did I pick Australia's Capital? I do own Australia's Capital only because I was given free shares from Aurora. I may buy some. I'm not 100% positive right now, but I may buy some. I do believe, like right now, the chart is telling me that it's bearish, but any day now it could flip the switch and could become bullish because because of the investment in BAM. They made an investment in BAM, and BAM is tripled the investment. They bought it around like 58 cents. Now the stock is like $1.55. That's almost a 200. No, that's like a 200% gain right there. So that's really good for an investment they made. And if BAM keeps going up, that could reflect positively on Australia's Capital, and that could help Australia's Capital stock go up. Be warned, it is kind of expensive. It's $135 million for a company that don't really generate any revenue, and their business model is just to acquire assets in the United States. So that's the warning. It is slightly expensive, but Origin House kind of does the same thing, but their stock just keeps going up. So that is kind of strange, but maybe Origin House is different. I don't know. I have no idea. I've done no research on Origin House, but yeah, my first recommendation is Australia's Capital. Dixie Brands. Dixie Brands is kind of could go bearish. It's right now it's kind of bullish, but that could change, and it's already crossed. It's being bearish, but like I would say keep an eye on it. If it drops to like 77 cents or below 70 cents, maybe start a position. Maybe I'm not a financial advisor. That's what I would do. I would start a position if the stock drops down to 73 cents. It's the company is not too expensive. They're $113 million, but I still think they can go down even further. Because it's bearish. The stock is, I think the stock is going to be going into a bearish mode very soon here. So that's why I'm kind of bearish on the stock, but who knows, maybe there's some big news in the pipeline that could help the stock. So what I think about Dixie Brands, I think in the future Dixie Brand could be $200 million. So but they need to really execute on their strategies. Possibly $300 million, but and maybe they'll get taken out by another company. But that is like the bullish side. The bearish side is nothing will happen or they go bankrupt. So this is just my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. I think it could double to 200 million. That's not unreasonable. Look at NBEV. They were like they're like $400 million or whatever, $300 million. I don't know about their finances. They don't have any finances on here. I'm sure Sedo has it, but yeah, it's in bearish mode. I would watch it. I wouldn't even buy it. I would watch it because I think it's gonna go down further. High Tide is my third recommendation. High Tide had a strange volume spike not too long ago. I did some more in-depth research of the High Tide volume. This is in the 1 minute chart, as you can see. huge amount of volume, buy, and then suddenly there started to be some sell volume, and another massive sell volume right here, but the buy volume outpaced the sell volume by a big margin. So that is that is looking very positive, that the buy volume is way stronger than the sell volume. So I don't know, maybe if this keeps up, if Monday comes around and there's still a lot more buying going on in high tide, it could go up. But I don't know for sure. I don't know what like, I know somebody big is buying into high tide right now. There was some selling and it was covered by like 3 times the amount of buying. So there's a lot of it's looking very positive right now. Maybe there's some news that's gonna come out Monday, and the guy who bought came across it first, so he got insider information or something, or maybe he discovered some news and he's buying. But illegal things happen in the market all the time, but that's why these companies, cannabis companies, tries to control the leaks. But leaks sometimes happen because people are involved. Like, let's say if you were like working for Aurora, you would see things that other people don't see. So maybe that's what happened. I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's somebody's buying big, so I'd like I said, disclose it. It's a penny stock. You could lose money. I still believe in it the long term. I like the company. I didn't really like the earnings report. It wasn't bad, but I didn't really like it that much. But still, I think that in the future, Aurora may acquire High Tide, but that's only a prediction. I don't know if that will actually happen. And then the third stock, and I disclose it, I do own High Tide. I do own. I don't own a Dixie Brand. Weekend Unlimited. Nobody knows about this, but I bought into Weekend Unlimited around I think it was 11 cents. I think I bought it at 11 cents. I'm not 100% positive, but I'm up a little bit on it right now. It doesn't take very much to go up. A penny would be like 10%. So I did find something interesting on February 1st. Weekend Unlimited won the ticker symbol POT, and what happened? Huge spike of volume. So the stock went from 11 cents all the way to 28 cents on that news, and then ever since then it was been dumping and downtrending. I done some research into this company. It sounds interesting. They're a vertically integrated cannabis company. They have operations in Canada, Australia, some Washington state, and like some other state, and they own a gummy, like an edible gummy factory company, and then they also own an energy drink company. It sounds so fantastic. And they only have a market cap of $27 million for being an 11.5 cent stock. But you know what? It sounds really. Oh, and the CEO has came on one of the YouTube videos I watched. He says that they are expecting to make around $30 to $35 million of revenue for 2019. Making $30 to $35 million of revenue and having a market cap of $27 million. I don't know. Does it sound undervalued? It kind of does, but then again, I'm paranoid as fuck. I do have shares into this company. I'm willing to lose that money if things go sour. I bought at 11 cents, and if somehow the stock drops down to 9 cents, I may buy again into the position just because, it could pay off. But I'm really paranoid, and I think this is like pure gambling. but I do have, you know, I do have a somewhat of a more than a speculative investment into this company. My speculative investment is usually $5,000. I have more than $5,000 invested into this company, so not like a huge amount. I'm not gonna share how much I have, you know, because only my members really know. Oh wait, that's right. Nobody knows. I've not shared any info on myself buying Weekend Unlimited. I think this is pure gambling, but volume has been picking up lately, right? It's been like 4, 2, 3, just 3 million not too long ago. So I don't know. Maybe there's some big news or something that will help propel the stock up. I don't know. I think it's just pure gambling. And then my last stock is I can't even say it. MacArthur Mining Limited. It's trading on the symbol MSS. I think so. Wait, is it? I don't know. No, yeah, MMS. I don't know what the US ticker symbol is. Sorry, guys. But I bought this stock, I think, at 11 cents. Not going to disclose how many shares I have, but I do own this stock. And my reasoning for buying this stock was I came across this. You know, somebody emailed me this, and then I was like, hey, this is interesting. Because Glencore is the company that buys product from Largo. And they signed a 10-year agreement with this company to offtake about $4 billion of iron. So but the thing is, the company doesn't have a facility up and operational right now, so they need to build that out, and that's gonna take some like probably a couple years, maybe a little bit longer. But when they do have their facility built, you know, this stock could be a 10-bagger. Maybe, hopefully, maybe not. I don't know. But if this stock ever drops down to 5 cents again, I'd probably pick up some, because it skyrocketed from that news all the way up to 15 cents. I waited for a while. I bought around 11 cents or 10.5 cents, and it went all the way to 9 cents. And then you know, now it's uptrending right now. But it's a penny stock. I mean, it's not too expensive, even if it's a penny stock, because the market cap on it is only $36 million. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And have a great day. Bye.